morning student. मैं सतीश जहांगीर श्री देवकुमार इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी दौसा से सिविल इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट। आज हम स्ट्रक्चर एनालिसिस के जो कंटिन्यूस बीम होती है उसके अंदर बेंडिंग मोमेंट डायग्राम, फ्रिक्शन मोमेंट्स कैसे निकालते हैं उसके लिए आपके थ्योरम है, उसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। थ्योरम्स का नाम क्लेपेरॉन्स थ्योरम ऑफ द मोमेंट डेरिवेशन। फर्स्ट इसका एक डेरिवेशन है, एक कंटिन्यूस बीम ए बी सी कंसीडर किया जिस पर यूडीएल लोड एक्ट कर रहा है। एंड फर्स्ट जो स्पान है उसकी लेंथ L1, सेकंड की L2। मॉडुलस ऑफ इलास्टिसिटी एंड मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ बीम इज E1 I1 एंड E2 I2। एंड आगे ये बीम भी क्या है, कंटिन्यूस। लेट अस टेक टू consecutive span L1 and BC L2 of a continuous beam subjected to a general system of loading as shown in the figure. We will use suffix 1 L1 E1 I1 for the first span and span AB and suffix 2 L2 E2 I2 for the second span of BC as shown in the figure. So the deflected position of the two spans after the supports A and B and C have settled to the position A dash, B dash and C dash by the amounts del A, del B and del C respectively below the original center line. This shape is the deflection shape of the fixed beam. This is the horizontal and this is the deflected position. From the deflected position of two spans, we have deflection at point B with respect to A equal to del B minus del A equal to delta 1. Delta 1. Where YBA is the deflection of B with respect to AA. Similar, the position of deflection at B with respect to C, del B minus del C equal to delta 2. Say where del YC is the deflection of B with respect to C. Now mu and mu dash diagram can be constructed at the usually figure 7.1c. This is the bending moment diagram due to loading and this is the bending moment diagram due to fixed end moments. There is friction moment MA and here is the friction moment MC and here is the friction moment MB. So the figure view diagram for the two span considering the two spans to the simply supported as shown in the figure. D mu dash diagram in which MA, MB and MC are the fixed end moments at the 3 points. The value of MA, MB, MC are to be determined using Clapeyron's theorem, three moments theorem, which are at the presently deriving. For the first span AB, measuring x position to the right, we have E1 I1 d2y dx square equal to mu x plus mu dash x with usual notation. Multiplying both side by x and integrating over the range of x equal to 0 to x equal to L, we get this equation and 0 to L1 and 0 to L1. Now dy dx equal to deflection slope at point B and deflection y with respect to A equal to delta 2. Now dy dx equal to Ib minus y equal to delta 1 equal to A1 ux into x is the a1 and the x bar plus a1 dash x1 dash का bar, from which iv equal to 1 upon e1 i1 l1 into a1 x1 bar plus a2 x2 dash bar plus delta upon delta 1. Now next, a1 x1 bar equal to ma into l1 by 2 into l1 by 3 plus mb into l1 by 2 into 2l by 3. Similarly, considering span VC, taking C as the origin and measuring x position to the left, we can obtain IV dash equal to minus 1 upon E I1 E I2 L2 into A2 X2 bar plus A2 dash X2 dash bar plus delta 2 upon delta 2 upon L2. Due to continuity of span, IV equal to minus IV dash for IV plus IV dash equal to 0. Hence from 1 upon E1 I1 L1 into A1 x1 bar plus A2 dash x A1 dash x1 dash bar minus delta 1 upon L1 plus 1 upon A2 I2 L2 into A2 x2 plus A2 dash x2 dash minus L2 delta 2 upon L2 equal to 0. Now, for the trapezoidal mu dash diagram, we have know that m1 dash x1 dash equal to ma plus 2mb l1 square by 6 and x2 dash x2 bar dash equal to mc plus 2mb l2 square upon 6. We have calculated from the fixed end moment diagram. Then a1 x1 bar upon e1 i1 l2 plus 1 upon l1 upon 6 e i1 ma plus 2mb minus delta 1 upon l1 plus delta 2 x2 upon e2 i2 l2. Put the value of a1 dash x1 dash bar in this equation, then multiply by 6 and rearranging we get this equation from the above equation. Then ma into l1 e1 i1 plus 2mb l1 upon e1 i1 plus l2 upon e2 i2 plus mc l2 e2 i2 plus delta plus 6 a1 x1 bar upon e1 i1 l1 plus 6 a2 x2 bar upon e2 i2 l3 equal to 6 delta 1 upon l1 plus delta 2 upon l2. This is the equation of finally Clapeyron's 3 moment area theorem. This is generalized theorem of 3 moments. The 3 moments equation was originally developed by French engineer Pierre Clapeyron and he Berthoud in 1857 and modified later in 1860 by more to include the effect of uneven settlement. However, the equation of commonly known as Clapeyron's equation of 3 moments. This equation is known as 3 moment equation because it relates to 3 consecutive bending moments in the beam. while the substituting the numerical values of A1, A2 for a given system of loading, proper care of sign must be taken for the usual downward loading. A1, A2 will be positive. We shall now consider a special case. Case first, EI constant, then general loading, then E1 I2 equal to E2 I2 equal to EI. We get from equation 7.1 MA into L1 plus 2 MB into L1 plus A2 plus MC into L2 plus 6A1 x1 bar upon L plus 6A2 x2 bar upon L2 is equal to 6EI delta 1 upon L1 plus delta L2 upon L delta 2 upon L2. Now next case, second EI constant to settlement, no settlement, general loading, then delta 1 and delta 2 equal to 0, then finally this equation is remaining, then MA L1 plus 2 MB cosec L1 plus L2 plus MC into L2 plus 6A1 x1 bar upon L1 plus 6A2 x2 bar upon L2 equal to 0. Now case third, EI constant, no settlement, UDL throughout the span, then let's UDL on span AB be W1 and UDL of the span VCB W2, then A1 area 2 by 3 W1 L1 square upon 8 and L2 equal to W1 L1 cube upon 12. Then A2 x2 bar equal to W1 L1 cube upon 12 into L1 by 2. Then W1 upon W1 into L1 की power 4 upon 24. Similar A2 x2 equal to W2 L2 का power 4 upon 24. Hence from equation 7.3 MA L1 plus 2 MB L1 plus L2 plus MC L2 plus 6 upon L1 into W1 L1 की power 4 upon 24 plus 6 upon L2 into W2 upon L2 की power 4 upon 24 equal to 0. और MA L1 plus 2 MB cosec L1 plus L2 plus MC into L2 equal to minus W1 L1 cube upon 4 minus W2 L2 cube upon 4. Now next case 4, EI constant, support settles UDL. Then they include the settles moment. So MA L1 plus 2 MB L1 plus L2 plus MC L2 equal to minus of W1 L1 cube plus 4 plus divided by 4 plus W2 L cube upon 4 cosec clause plus 6 EI delta 1 plus delta 2 plus delta 2 upon delta L1. Now value of factor 6A bar 6AX bar upon L for mu diagram. For standard case, we calculate the value of 6AX bar upon L from the mu diagram due to loading diagram. First, we use fullness of 3 moment equation of finding the unknown MA, MB, MC depend upon the case. Easy with which express 6AX bar upon L can be found. We shall now consider few cases of loading. First, a beam when UDL act, then mu diagram is parabolic WL square upon 8, then area of this bending diagram area equal to 2 by 3 L into ordinate WL square upon 8 is the maximum ordinate at that point. Then XL, center of gravity from the left side, then XL is equal to क्या है, half of L2 L1. Triangular distribution load as shown in this figure, the ABC show three cases of triangular distribution loads. Then AB span UDL varying from 0 to W, from A to B, and in this case B to A, and in this case end to mid span and end to mid span. Mid span ordinate is capital small W. Now bending moment diagram of this loading and bending moment diagram of this loading. XL from left side, center of gravity from left side, and X bar R is the right side, center of gravity. Now third degree of curve, this value of this WL square upon 6, WL square upon 6. Similarly, this diagram, factor 6A bar L for the triangular distribution load as in the figure. Now triangular distribution load for a figure A, then component bending moment as in the diagram. A X bar L 1/2 L into WL square upon 6 into 2/3 into L minus 1/4 L into WL square upon 6 plus 4 upon 5 W. This is the center of gravity from the right side. Then equal to 1 upon 45 WL cube. X bar R right side से 1/2 L into WL square upon 8 and 1/3 minus 1/4 L into WL square upon 6 into 1/5 into L is equal to 7 upon 360 WL4. This value calculated from this diagram. Similarly, put the value of 6A X bar L upon L, then finally we get 8 upon 60 WL cube, and from right side 6A X bar R upon L, this is the 7 upon 60 WL cube. Triangularly distributed load of figure B, evidently 6A X bar L upon L equal to 7 upon 60 WL cube, and 6A X R bar upon L equal to 8 upon 60 WL cube. This is the just reverse of previous case, and this is the reverse of the previous case. यानी कि जो दर से आपका मैक्सिमम ऑर्डिनेट है पॉइंट बी पर, तो आपका जो लेफ्ट साइड से है आपका ये फैक्टर है 6A X L bar अपॉन L, वो केस के बराबर होगा 8 upon 60 WL क्यूब. और जिधर से आपका राइट साइड से है आपका, ये राइट साइड से है आपका, तो राइट साइड से क्या होगा आपका 7 upon 60 WL क्यूब. सिमिलरली आपके सेकेंड केस में हो जाएगा फॉर ट्रायंगुलर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड लोड ऑफ 7.4 डायग्राम. This diagram, in this diagram from the example of 9.7, ordinate y WL upon 4x minus WLQ upon 3L and y dash equal to first integration of this x dash. Now a x L bar equal to 0 to L by 2, put the value of y into x dx plus 0 to L by 2, value of y dash into L minus x dash into dx. Then finally this factor is 5 upon 332 WL cube. For point load, a unsymmetric point load act on the beam, then fixed moment W a v square upon L square and W v square a upon L square at point this. Now factor 6a x L bar upon L, we find W a L upon L square minus a square, and from right side L square minus b square, and right side a square minus b square. This value is calculated by the axl bar and axl xr bar. Values of 6a x L bar upon L and 6a xr bar upon L from some common type of loading. For UDL loading, WL cube upon 4 and WL cube upon 4 at the both side, right and left side. For UBL cases, here is the ordinate 0, then factor of 6a x L bar upon L is 8 upon 60 WL cube, and here is the maximum ordinate of loading W, then 7 upon 60 WL cube. Similarly, this is just reverse of this case. UDL position, UBL position change. Now another case for maximum ordinate at the midpoint, then 5 upon 32 WL cube is the both sides. When a asymmetrical loading act on the a beam, here is the distance A and here is the distance B, then WAB upon L square minus A square or L square minus V square from the right side. Now next moment, then value of 6a x L bar upon L, mu L upon 3a square minus L square, and mu upon L 3v square minus L square. From the side of B, then square of 3b square, and from the side of A, 3a square minus L square. L square is the subtract from the both side. We can easily remember these formulas. And next, when UDL act on the one part of this beam, this is the A and this is the B and this is the C, this is A and this D distance. Now W upon 4L B square 2L square minus B square minus A square 2L square minus A square. Similarly, here is the W upon 4L D square 2L square minus D square and minus G square 2L square minus C square. Now we can see is the standard case. A x L bar equal to, this is the couple mu act on a beam, this distance A and this is the B. Then draw the bending moment diagram. Mu A upon L is the mu B upon L. This is the moment diagram, or the moment diagram. Now mu B into L minus B by 2 minus 1 by 2 into L into mu 2 by 3 into L from this diagram. Mu B calculate of this, then finally we get minus mu upon 6 3a square minus L square. And from the right side, ax bar equal to mu B into B by 2, mu B into B by 2 minus 1/2 L into mu into L by 3 center of from here to A. Then calculated AX R bar equal to mu upon 6 3b square minus L square. Put the value of this in this factor AX L bar, then solve. Finally we get of this factor is equal to minus mu upon L 3a square minus L square, and from the right side this factor plus mu upon L 3b square minus L square. We can see before in this case we can remember easily of this formulas. Thank you for watching this video.